I'm Billy Hill with Pro Edge Sharpener. I would like to introduce to you my new high-speed sharpener. This will be an instructional video to show you how to properly operate this new machine. First of all, safety is the most important thing. I'll demonstrate now how we have included a safety interlock system that will shut this machine off if any of the guards are moved. I'll start the machine now. If you move a guard, the machine will stop, and you will have to restart the machine. It will not restart when you put the guard back in place. This is a single bevel, small diameter blade. I'll show you the proper tools to set this blade up for sharpening. All right, this is the 1.5" diameter arbor with the proper bushing for this blade. You have your 60 grit CBN disc for roughing, your 320 grit CBN disc for finishing, and your 600 grit disc for the flat side of the single bevel blade. Now we're going to install, once again, you have a flat. You want to just rock it back and forth and just snug it up. Left-hand threads on your arbors. This is the proper bushing to do that blade. So you would put that bushing in place, then you would put your blade on with the flat side, since this is a single bevel, facing you. Then you put your left-hand threaded knob on, snug it up, doesn't have to be extremely tight, just a hand snug. Then you put your 600 grit disc on the bottom. We're going to use a 60 grit for a few seconds on the top unit. This is set on 1.5 degrees. This is set on 25 degrees for this operation. Once again, move this in, making sure that that clears this single disc. We can open this up a little bit, and what we want to do is get approximately the edge of that approximately to the center line of that boss. Then we're going to advance it till that counterweight is even flat with the table. And we're going to run this roughing cycle approximately 30 seconds. Now we're going to change and put our finishing 320 grit on the top unit. Once again, it's on 25 degrees. I'm going to close this up. You won't have to adjust this in and out because all these discs are the same thickness. You can now just move it forward until that counterweight is straight away from the table. You've got the finishing stone on. We're going to give you 30 seconds on that. With 30 seconds on the roughing cycle with a 60 grit and 30 seconds on a finish cycle with a 320 grit, we have remachined the edge to a perfect burr-free sharp edge on this small diameter blade. As you can see, our new M400 HS high-speed circular blade sharpener can quickly, safely remachine blades from 100 millimeters to 400 millimeters. It's very fast, it's very safe, it's very easy to operate.